Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at a brand new addition to the C-segment SUV market, the Renault Symbioz Eco-G 120. Renault is shaking things up by introducing a new generation bi-fuel petrol and LPG factory system to their lineup. Instead of opting for the usual mild hybrid or full hybrid setups, this model gives you a highly cost-effective alternative that focuses heavily on cutting down your everyday running costs. Here is exactly how this setup works and what it means for your wallet. Under the hood, the Symbioz Eco-G 120 features a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, specifically the HR12 architecture, which puts out 120 horsepower and 200 newton-meters of torque, mated to a classic 6-speed manual gearbox. What makes it unique is the dual-tank layout featuring a 48-liter petrol tank alongside a 50-liter LPG tank, which is a 25% increase in capacity over Renault's older LPG tanks. You get a dedicated control switch on the dashboard, allowing you to manually choose between petrol and LPG. But honestly, you can just let the car do the work, because once the LPG tank runs completely empty, the system automatically and seamlessly switches over to petrol without you having to lift a finger. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the Symbioz really stands out. LPG is well known for being significantly cheaper at the pump than regular petrol, meaning your cost per kilometer drops dramatically. When running on LPG, the fuel consumption starts from 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers, with carbon dioxide emissions at 116 grams. When running on petrol, the fuel consumption drops to 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers, but the carbon dioxide emissions go up to 133 grams. While the engine burns slightly more liters per kilometer when running on LPG, the incredibly low price of the fuel easily offsets this. Furthermore, using the LPG mode slashes your average carbon dioxide emissions by about 9% compared to a standard petrol equivalent. The biggest selling point here is that range anxiety doesn't exist. When you combine both fully filled tanks, the Symbioz Eco-G 120 boasts a massive total range of up to 1,500 kilometers before you need to stop for a fill-up, which is an incredibly rare stat for a family vehicle in the C segment today. For a quick look at performance, it goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 12 seconds. If you are looking for an efficient family hauler that handles the daily commute just as easily as massive road trips without breaking the bank at the gas station, this new LPG variant is definitely worth a look. What do you think about factory-built LPG cars making a comeback in this segment? Let me know in the comments below.